today's video, I'm going to tell you as a man what you can take every day to improve your performance, to make it stiff and strong, to make it energetic. Trust me, this home recipe is very amazing to use at home. You will start sleeping for hours, you will make it stiff and strong, and you will make it bigger. So one of the ingredients which we need is Nescafe. So during the preparation, you will start to know how to use Nescafe to make it stiff and strong and to improve your performance during bedtime. So right now, let us go to our preparation. I'll come back and I tell you more about this home recipe, when to take it and for how long to take it. You have seen our preparation, very easy to make at home, very easy to get the ingredients, and very easy to prepare at home. And trust me, starting from today, no more smaller joysticks, only bigger joystick for bigger men. You understand? So you need some recipe to make it stiff and strong. But before I proceed, my dear, please like my video, share my video, and of course you can invite your friends to my YouTube channel Coach Uganda for such amazing videos, guys. Okay? But starting from today, my dear, I want you to take 1 glass every day on your empty stomach. Take 1 glass for this home recipe. Every day on your empty stomach. Trust me, when you make it at least for 4 weeks, you will remain the same. You'll get a bigger joystick, stronger and energetic. And when it comes to bed sleeping, you'll be going for hours and hours without stopping. I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye bye. See you again. I'm Coach Uganda.